Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Hope you had a wonderful day, wonderful week, and everything is fine. Today, we're going to talk about. I know many people in different places have been thinking of how they can make money through their phones, online, or during their free time. Whether they have jobs or they want another part-time job. So today we're going to talk about how to make money online with your mobile phone or laptop. Whether whether you are unemployed or employed, but you have a certain time where which you are free, you can make it online. You can make money through online system easy and with effort, but not so much effort. There are people who make up to 70,000 USD dollar annually from online business, and there are so many varieties of business. But today we're gonna talk only five opportunities which are available online, which a person can make money. Number one, without wasting time, we're gonna start. Number one is picking up freelancer work online. Making money online through websites such as Fiverr, Fiverr, freelancer.com. Those sites have opportunities to do varieties of freelancer jobs such as writing, programming, designing, market data analysis, being visual assistants, influencing second language, and check sites such as Gengo or Blend Express or Drum Up. Business through a site of your own. And remember, guys, no matter what freelancing you do, you must keep on track of ongoing rates for other people's. You must ask different people's in your career of how much they charge per work, so that you may know what kind of amount of money you can charge your customers. Remember, not overcharging them or underpaying yourself for the work you're doing. Okay, total time required. There is no fixed amount of time required for freelancer work. It's depending on type of work, and most of the time, most of many freelancer work don't exceed 24 hours. But it depends on your negotiation between you and your customers, and also payment varies depending on type of work or places you're working. So it is very important to consider other people's on your profession, how they pay, how they charge, and how they work. Number two, test websites and apps. This is another way of making money from home online through usertesting.com. Right? Search in the Google through usertesting.com to get paid for this through how well. In this case, you will get paid to share your thoughts on how well or not well a certain website or a work is being performing. Example, you can be given freelancer work to access maybe WhatsApp, how WhatsApp works, or maybe a certain website such as Instagram, or any website, a company website or social media or anything, to look on on errors which occurs, or on what to modify depending on the. So during registration, they will have few questions to ask, testing your ability, and then after that, you will be working and get paid through points. On those points, you can convert them into cash and make money. And also, has many the same as many other freelancer work. Also, this type of work also, it doesn't have a specific time, but most of the work like this, testing up work, they don't exceed 1 hour, and also their payments, they also don't exist in 7 days, because it's just a matter of checking a specific app, and depending on your experience and your abilities, you can have make good money. Number three, drop shipping. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is when a person or a company sells goods on their website that are not kept in the stock. When order is received, they send those orders to another company to ship the goods directly to the buyer. Because they are middleman, they are just middleman, they may charge more money. So because a drop shipping is like a middleman, you have a website, so you can just sell another company's product, but you can add more money, and that money which you are adding, that is your profit. So there are so many advantages and disadvantages. We will talk in this channel for the next coming video, but so far drop shipping also is one of the good business that you can make online from your phone, from your laptop. Another business is investing in stocks, forex trading, crypto, and so forth. Although it may involve high risk, trading is always high risk, but it has also high reward, and people make a lot of money in trading stocks, forex, and even cryptocurrencies. If you have specific skills required and knowledge on how to trade, you will be in a good position of making money. Okay. Number five is content creators or influencers or brand ambassador. Many people have a lot of fan followers on their either Facebook, or subscribers on YouTube, or followers on TikTok, or many other followers in many different app or website, or even other people have their own blogs. So you can also make money online through that your followers. You can be as a content creators, creating a content which may be advertising a certain product, or you can create a content of which you can attract audience, for which you can be paid through views. So there are so many apps which pay content creators through views and ads on their content. And with this, we will talk on the coming video, of which we will share all the apps and secrets of how those have pay people a lot of money. Apart from that, content creator also make money in advertisements and being brand ambassadors of different companies. So there are so many wide varieties of a content creator which he or she can make a lot of good money, and this is from their online or physical, depending on the type of work he or she is doing. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the good other coming content. You can comment or share for any improvement and any suggestion on the comment below. Thank you. Share with your friend.